fast were you going, by the way? You don't know, right? Let's rock and roll. Budget car.
No bombs, I'll text you.
This is like, I didn't do anything to the car, it came like this. You know how to drive, right? Slow out, okay? Very slow, because you might hit the bottom. Very slow.
Nicholas bought me this car. This is what I'm gonna get.
3 years old, that's all I can say.
Dude.
Press right there, you press like this, and you drive.
I don't understand that. Whose house should I go by?
To the right, you want to do the same road as me. All I can say
I'm not
is
gonna go that way.
be careful. That's all I can say. Don't go down the streets, go on the road. I can say, you know?
Or I would get into trouble in this.
Yeah, I mean, it's really fast. I'm never really in the passenger seat, hope you know.
Yeah, I figured.
Floor. Brakes, how do they feel?
They're good. My car like stops so short. These
Yeah,
are
no.
good, great.
How fast were you going, by the way? You don't know, right? All I can say is my expression on my face.
Saw this guy walking there like hours ago. The same spot and everything.
How'd that feel to you?
Good.
Like fun, right?
But it doesn't feel like you're going that fast.
No, it
at all.
doesn't. This car is built for 200 miles an hour.
Yeah.
That's what they showed you online, like it's like the advertising thing. It's like a go-kart, illegal. I just feel it, like when you press the gas, like you really feel it. Says you're lucky that.
Good thing this cop just pulled them over because now they won't pull us over. The brakes are great. It's so easy. My car, you do that and you slam down. Maybe I'll buy it from you in 3 years.
That's just the minutes.
Yeah, I don't even have my license.